Hey, welcome back. We are in the course of coding for web, or but we can say that practical PHP. And here we are going to discuss the tools for PHP. That is, what are the tools that we need to have to do PHP on our local PC. So, what do I need to start using PHP? You can find a web host and PHP and MySQL support. So, what is meaning of this? That you can go for buying of your hosting space and domain name with the hosting service provider. There are a number of hosting service providers like GoDaddy, Hostingers, HostGator, Bluehost, and number of numbers are there. For to this, you have to pay the money as per your domain name and how much the space and which type of hosting you are required. Okay, and that is not necessary. If you don't want to go for this, need not to go for this. Even without this, we can learn PHP. So another way is of learning PHP and implementing PHP is install a web server on your own PC and then install PHP and MySQL. Okay, so in order to do that, what we can do, we can use these application software. Like here we are having MAMP application software, BAMP, then is LAMP, then XAMPP. You can use any of them for making your PC act as like a web server. So in my case, I'm just going to use XAMPP in my PC. So I will suggest you to go for this because it will automatically configure most of the things like PHP, MySQL, and another associated application along with that. Okay, so the configuration part is very less in case of XAMPP. So in rest, you have to go for some configuration after installing the application. So another thing that we need to have is a text editor, or what we can say that a rich text format text editor, or we can say that IDE, that is integrated development environments. So here I'm just listing certain option over there like Aptana Studio, then you can use Atom editor, Brackets editor, Eclipse editor, Notepad++, then NetBeans and Code Visual Studio here. So again, I have highlighted this in my case because of the reason I'm just using this software Code Visual Studio for my purpose. Okay, so you can use for this, or you are having your own choice which you wanted to use prefer for this. And here I'm just going to show you some uh, location from where you just can download and install this server application. Like if you wanted to install MAMP server on your Windows or your Mac operating system, you can move to the site mamp.info, and here you can find details about it, and from here you can download it. It's having two versions over there. One is a MAMP and another one is MAMP Pro. MAMP Pro might be a, for this you have to might pay for this version, so better you go for free MAMP download, as you are not need not to go for this pro version as for right now. And another application that you can go for downloading, that is BAMP server. This consists of Apache, PHP, MySQL. Okay, so for Windows over there, so there here you will find your the link for its download, and this is for 32-bit operating system, and this is your 64 operating system. So you must have to know about your which operating system are you using before downloading and installing. Then another one is coming as the LAMP, that is used for the Linux, and the LAMP itself abbreviates for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Okay, this is mostly used for the Linux operating system. And here in the last, I'm just explaining you about the XAMPP. Here XAMPP comes with Apache as the web server, then MariaDB as a database, and PSP, then Perl. Okay, it's also consisting of MySQL, that is also comes with along with this. So here in my case I'm using XAMPP. You can use this website apachefriends.org to download this and to install this application. This is available for three system architects like Windows. This is available for Windows, XAMPP as well as OS operating system. And in the last, we are here just going to discuss some editor that we can use over there. So here is some editor that we can use. Here's a list like Aptana Studio PHP editor. This is a open source editor, and another one is the Atoms. Here is the link given. If you click on this link, for this you have to go to the atom.io website. From here you can download this, and here you can Aptana. This site is Aptana Soft. From here you can download this. Then your Code Blaster, and this site is available from the site codeblaster.com. Then Eclipse, and this is available from eclipse.com. And this is again the IDE. This is integrated development environment, whereas this is editor, and bracket is also editor, Atom is also editor. And not the more, we just can go with the Notepad++, and this is again open source software. Then you can go with the NetBeans IDE, that is integrated development environment from Oracle and Java. And then is coming the PHP Designer 8 or Sublime Text, that is available for both Mac operating system as well as this Windows. And here is the Visual Code Studio. Here in my case I'm going to use Visual Code Studio in my case. And Visual Code Studio is a product from Microsoft, and this is again open source software, and I didn't so nobody need to pay anything for this, and available free of cost to install and use. And this is again available for the three like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, and Mac operating systems. Okay, so in the last, I'm just concluding the things that if you want, you can use any of them option that you wanted to install and use, and how to install them and how to use them, how to configure them. That is very easy step, and you can find number of video on YouTube regarding this. So just to go for this and install it in your PC and configure the rest of the things as per. If you get the problem, you can send a text to me or you can mail me, then I will come to the solution. So in the next video we will going to check some our knowledge what we have done up to this time. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.